Look, Sarah. The mountains are so beautiful.
They are, aren't they?
It's amazing.
This hot chocolate is so warm and delicious.
What a wonderful cabin this is.
Do you think we can play outside today? Yes, absolutely. Look at all that fresh snow. We have to go out there. Oh, yeah!
Breakfast will be ready in 10 minutes. Ooh. Smells amazing.
I want to go play in the snow now.
Everyone eat well before we go outside.
Something is changing with the weather.
I think a big storm is coming very quickly.
Everyone stay inside where it is warm and safe.
We are safe here inside the cabin.
How long will the storm last? How long will the storm last?
We have enough supplies for several days.
Are we gonna be okay, Dad?
Yes, sweetie, we'll be just fine. We have everything we need.
We are very safe here. Trust me.
The cabin has good heating systems,
Yes, that's reassuring.
and the emergency procedures are clear.
What's going on?
This soup will warm everyone up nicely.
Oh, I'm sure it will, Grandma. It smells amazing.
Dinner is ready, everyone.
The soup is so yummy and warm. This storm is really powerful. Will we be able to leave tomorrow? I'm sure we will, don't worry.
The heating system is working perfectly.
Who wants to hear a story?
Me!
Oh, it sounds like he does.
Long ago, I climbed this very mountain.
And that's when the big snow dragon swooped down. He had scales that shimmered like ice,
Whoa!
and he asked for tea.
And that, my dears, is how your mother convinced me to dance in the pouring rain.
Another round before bed?
Yes, I want to beat Dad.
Not tonight, kiddo.
Everyone sleep well tonight.
You too, my dear.
Good morning, everyone. The storm is still going.
Let us wash up before breakfast. Okay, Mom.
We need to keep the fire going.
We can help with breakfast.
Eat well to stay strong.
The cabin has enough water for many days. Vroom, vroom! The cars are racing! The cars are racing!
We should plan meals carefully.
How many cans of beans do we have left, Dad?
Enough for a few days, but we need to ration.
The snow is getting deeper.
What will we do if the storm does not stop?
We'll be all right, son. We'll manage it together.
The storm will stop eventually. We are safe here.
Cooking together keeps us close.
Good food brings families together.
Sleep well, everyone.
Look!
The storm seems to be getting weaker.
Oh, thank goodness. Goodbye, snow!
The wind is not as strong.
Wow, I think it's finally clearing up. Do you think we can leave soon?
The storm will end by tomorrow.
That's wonderful news.
I knew it would.
We made it through together. It's over. It's over.
I'm so glad we're all okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
We should prepare for when we can leave.
Look at that. It is so beautiful now.
Wow.
Look at it.
We made it through, dear.
The storm has passed.
We can leave first thing tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow we return home safely.
We are a strong family.
We are a strong family. We will leave at first light tomorrow.